Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who knows. Back with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with your boy Q today. So guys, today I want to make a video about basically how you are supposed to hold your shifter here when you're shifting gears. And I had a real hard time learning this. And now that I have figured this out, it has helped me, excuse me, and it's going to help you not miss gears, which is what I was doing when I first started learning the manual, because I was not basically holding the shifter right. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all basically what works for me so far. And I'm still learning and tweaking some stuff. So basically I'm gonna show you what not to do and what you should do. So here we go. Here's your shifter, guys. And if you don't know anything about a manual, the gears are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then R is for reverse. What you don't want to do when you're shifting gears, say you want to go to first, right? So you got to put your foot in the clutch first, always. So here's my clutch down there. What you don't want to do, you don't want to have your hand like this going to first on top and try to move it over and go to first, right? Because it's first of all, it's very uncomfortable to do that. Like you'll notice when you drive, it's very uncomfortable to do that. So you don't want to have your hand up here like, okay, so let's go to first. So that's first gear. You don't want to be down like this at second. Third, you know, this is fine, third, and then here's fourth, fifth, and then sixth, and back to neutral. So basically that's the wrong way. What I just showed y'all was the wrong way. And there's a few different ways to hold your hand, you know, so it's gonna be different depending on your preference. So what you wanna do when you're going to first, you wanna apply pressure here. It's really about the thumb. Your thumb is really gonna be a guiding point. So when I'm going to first, my thumb is up. And so I wanna apply pressure here to the side of the shifter first, a little pressure, and then up. You see how my thumb is up, hand is closed? So that's how you wanna get the first. Not like this, no. Here, open palm, here, up, like that. Watch the thumb. Now to go to second, same thing. I'm gonna keep that pressure on the side of the shifter here. I'm just gonna come straight back, like that. Going to third, there's a few ways you can do this. I was first doing this. Watch my thumb, see my thumb? And when it's down like this, you're gonna go back into first on accident, right? And that was happening to me a lot. So coming out of second, what you wanna do, a lot of people do the palm method, which is like hand straight up like this, palm, and you just push it forward like that. Or what I found been working for me as of late, and get back to second here, I found this late, like a thumb to the side grip and pushing up that way. For me, that has worked better. So fourth gear, what I found fourth gear, there's two ways that works for me. When I'm normal driving, I just kind of put my hand here like this on the shifter, or like this, cup it, and I go straight back. But most of my pressure is over here on these two fingers, in my opinion. That's me, that's how I do it. Or I have found when I'm kind of really going hard into it, I usually just cup it like this and then go straight back this way. And what that does, that when I'm doing fast like that, when I got the weight here, that prevents me from potentially going back to second when I have it this way. So I don't know, it's up to you. Fifth, what you want to do, go to fifth gear, put the pressure here on the side of your shifter. So now fifth is up here, up top. So to get to fifth, put some pressure here. Again, look at the thumb, look at my hand position, thumb is down here. I literally just take it, put some pressure here, push to the right and up, and it goes right into fifth. Flip that hand, put the pressure right here, and just push up and over, it goes into fifth, really easy. And then for sixth, same thing. I got the pressure to the right here, and then I'm straight back down to sixth gear. Same thing to go in reverse. Don't forget, reverse is over here as well. To reverse, I go all the way over and all the way up to the right. So let me show y'all that a little faster. So here, I'm first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. That's how I do it. Again, it's all about applying slight pressure, not a lot of pressure, just slight pressure to get the shifter where you want to go. And it's going to differ too. Everybody hand position is different. Do what's comfortable for you, for sure. Find what works. Anyway, that's all I got. It's your boy Q. Catch y'all next week. Peace.